We are here in the heart of Derry shopping area with a young man called Fergus from Portstewart. We are here in DVCB, that's Derry Visitor and Convention Bureau. So here I am with the lovely Parker family, all the way from Antrim. Síle Ní Bhraonáin and Fleadh Cheoil Rukas. I am here with the Rukas family. Describe Derry for me in one word. But can you describe Derry for me in one word? Focal wine. One word to describe Derry.
Awesome city.
Awesome.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Fly friendly.
Cargill, Tussle Whimsy.
Yes.
Yes, that's a good word.
Yes.
Music, morning, noon and night.
Beautiful. Beautiful city. Oh, thank you very much.
Vibrant, full of cosmopolitan influences.
Friendly.
Probably not. One word couldn't sum up Derry.
Typical songwriter. There we go.
Friendly. Just
Friendly.
Historic.
Quaint. Beautiful.
Cheers.